Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today, let's make an extremely popular street snack, Baida Roti. Let's begin. The recipe of Baida Roti is going to be divided into 2-3 parts. The first part is getting the filling or the chicken mix right. For that, let's heat a pan and let's add in some oil. The oil is heated up. The first thing that goes in after oil is onion. This is red onion, which is nicely and finely chopped. Well, I'm not going to wait here for the onions to get cooked completely. The next thing that immediately goes in are some green chilies. To this, let's add in ginger and garlic paste. Just a touch, not too much. Cook this for roughly a minute, at least till the time the raw flavor of ginger and garlic kind of goes off. Let's add in some chopped tomatoes. Along with this, let's also add in the powder spices, beginning with red chilli powder, a touch of turmeric, not too much, 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala. Let's give this a good mix. While the onions, tomatoes and chilies have still retained a bite, I'll add in minced chicken. Mix this well, and while doing that, let's also not forget some salt. Mix this well and ensure that the chicken is well cooked. For making the keema, generally I use chicken breast. Just a little bit of stir fry and the keema is done and ready. With this goes in fresh coriander leaves. Mix this well, and with this, of course, the flame. Next step is getting the dough for the Baida Roti correct. It's a very simple dough for which I've used refined flour. To that, you create a well, add in some salt, add in some oil, knead this with water into a nice soft and pliable dough, a little softer than what you would normally need. So that's how the dough looks now, nice, well rested. I'm going to divide this into 3 portions. I'm going to put some oil on the working table, pat this like so, and roll it into a nice and thin bread. Well, at this stage, do not get into thinking about the shape because all you need is a nice and thin bread rolled like so. You will figure out that it's tearing in some pockets, but that's absolutely fine. Just pinch it and bring it together. The next step is to break an egg in a bowl or in a glass. To this, we need to add in 2 or 3 large spoons of the chicken mince, which is still warm. Well, this is something that you can of course make in advance and keep it ready. But of course, since I'm showing it to you, I'm making it nice and fresh right in front of you. Mix this well. You may also wish to add in just a touch of salt, considering that we've used a whole egg in this. So this time the salt just for the egg. Mix this well and pour this right in the center. Quickly, let's envelope this like so. Now that the envelope is ready and the oil is also heated up, let's nicely pick this up very carefully and transfer this in oil. Allow this to cook on the bottom side for at least 30 to 40 seconds before giving it a flip so that it becomes nice and golden brown at the bottom. And allow this to cook on the other side as well. Well, here if you notice, it's become nice and golden brown on all the sides. Similarly, let's start making the other Baida Rotis. With this, your Baida Roti is done and ready. And trust me, this goes amazingly well with chutney, ketchup or even mayonnaise for that matter. Make this for your family and friends and trust me, they will enjoy eating this. But more than that, you will enjoy making it for them. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Get Curried.